the late 1990s, the schools and higher education system has gone beyond the physical space of classrooms that primarily included face-to-face interactions between the teacher or instructor or facilitator and the students. This shift from physical spaces has been possible due to the emergence of technology, more precisely information and communication technology and its use in the field of education. Use of technology to reach out to students beyond the four walls of the classroom led to the practice of online learning, which mainly started in the districts and states of USA and gradually spread across other countries. When we talk about this, it is essential for us to know what online learning means. Different terminologies are used for online learning. Some common terms include e-learning, internet learning, web-based learning, virtual learning, computer-assisted learning, and distance learning. These terms mainly imply that the learner is at a distance from the tutor or instructor, interacts with tutor and other learners, and also accesses the learning materials using some form of technology. As M. Ali also defined online learning as the use of internet to access learning materials, to interact with the content, instructor and other learners, and to obtain support during the learning process in order to acquire knowledge, to construct personal meaning and to grow from the learning experience. Hence, it can be said that the learner and the learning process is the focus of online learning rather than the instructions or resources that are shared by the teacher. Online learning is not dependent on time zones, location and distance. While it allows students to access online materials anytime, it also allows real-time interaction with teachers and fellow students at one given point of time, making them part of a learning community. Students can access up-to-date and relevant materials on the internet. They can communicate and connect with experts in any field. They can collaborate with fellow students to work on a common project and group assignments, interact with the teacher on an online platform to share and reflect on activities. A teacher or instructor in an online learning environment can also design the student activities in a manner that helps students to contextualize their learning and situate it in their real-life instances. Any online learning form has specific objectives or learning goals that are set in the beginning to be achieved by the learners and teacher at a given point of time. And the entire process is planned and designed, including instructions, activities, resources, and assessments in order to achieve the specific goals. Online learning uses various virtual online platforms offered by distance technologies to deliver these sessions, resources, and instructions. Online learning methods can be adapted by teachers and learners in any context. Online learning can be adapted by teachers in conflict regions where regular formal schools might not be functional for a temporary period of time. For example, during this current lockdown in the COVID-19 period, teachers can opt for online learning techniques to continue classes with their students. Though the extent of using online learning methods depends largely on the access to ICT infrastructure and its use that one requires for accessing distance technologies. Again, teachers can opt from a variety of distance technologies based on the infrastructure access and use in their demography based on their context.